Meteorologist Mariel Ruiz here with me, as well as Stacia Wilson. Stacia, starting with the traffic, I know it was a mess this morning. What are you working with?
Yeah, so it is still kind of a mess out there, especially areas south of I-20, like I heard you talking about earlier, Mariel, just lots of ponding on the roads. So we're going to take a look at some cameras, but my gosh, if you can stay home, I would.
Absolutely. Stay home and get you some rest. This is some of that sleepy weather, Mariel.
Absolutely.
I stepped out on our lunch break. I'm using my air quotes there. Stepped out and it was very dark outside, lightning, thunder. You can hear all that stuff going on. How long is this going to stick around?
Plan on it for the rest of the day.
Okay.
Yeah, the rest of the day and some even into the overnight hours. It'll start to really taper off tomorrow. But for today, this is what we're dealing with. In the last hour, this is what radar has looked like. So good morning, right? We are looking at the heaviest rain south of Interstate 20, like Stacia mentioned, where those traffic issues are. But we are also looking at some moderate to heavy rainfall now in Denton County, moving into Collin County. Dallas County seeing some lighter rainfall, some heavy rain north Tarrant County near South Lake. We'll continue to see that moving towards the east here. But I want to focus on this too, because we have a flash flood warning in place until 12:15 for Erath, Hood counties. And this is because of a couple of clusters of thunderstorms bringing over 1.5 to 2 inches of rain in a short period of time. Rain continues in this area, so do not try to cross any water covered roadways. I cannot say that enough. But Johnson, Somervell County now included in a flash flood warning as well until 1:15, and it's because of this big cluster of thunderstorms that continues to move towards the southeast did provide for 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. So if you are, say, in Corsicana in the next 15 minutes, expect that heavy rain to arrive to you. This cluster of storms does have a history of producing penny-sized hail. That is a small amount of hail that we saw being reported, but gusty winds also of 40 miles per hour. This continues to push towards the southeast, and as it does, it brings the flood threat and it brings a severe threat south along with it. So for us, we're not done with the rain, but the severe weather threat is higher towards the south. Everyone under a flood watch, though, including Dallas, Fort Worth, Wise, Denton, Collin County for 2 to 3 inches of rain until 7 in the morning on Friday. We could expect the higher amounts to the south, 3, 4+ inches of rain, especially to the southeast of Navarro County. The good news, we are not included in a severe thunderstorm watch, but our neighbors to the south, including Waco, and areas to the south included in that. So we'll talk a little bit more about the timing of when all this moves out in just a bit.